Good evening to all of you. Today I will discuss about the molecular orbital energy level diagram for nitrogen molecule. Today I will tell you about how you can draw the molecular orbital diagram for nitrogen molecule, that is homonuclear diatomic molecule. You can see here is the nitrogen molecule. There is nitrogen, that is a 7 electron. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 electron. 14 electron in nitrogen molecule. Okay, how you can write the molecular configuration of the nitrogen molecule? Here you can see first sigma 1s1, sigma star 1s, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2py 2py2 equal to pi 2pz2 and sigma 2p x2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. This is the 14 electron configuration of nitrogen molecule. In next, how in case of 14 electron system, the sigma 2 star is after coming pi 2py and pi 2pz, because the energy of sigma 2px2 is higher than the pi 2py and pi 2pz. Here you can see the pi 2py2 is equal to pi 2pz2, because the energy of both, that is the equal. So you can write the pi 2py2 equal to pi 2p2. How you can draw the molecular orbital energy level diagram? First you write the electronic configuration of a nitrogen atom, just like just atomic, how you can write the atomic configuration of nitrogen atom. Nitrogen 7 electron, right? uh, 2 2 5 2 5 मतलब S 2 yes 1 S2 2 S2 2p 3 2p3. One side you write the nitrogen atom, atomic orbital of nitrogen, atomic orbital कोई नहीं पाया यार. Orbital of nitrogen is 1s, 1s, that is 2 electron, 2 electron, 2s, oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This one is the atomic orbital of one nitrogen atom, and this one is the atomic orbital of another nitrogen atom. In the bonding molecular orbital, first that is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, 2s2. That is the p orbital of one atom of nitrogen atom and the p orbital of another nitrogen atom. In that is you can write here px, py, pz, px, py, pz. In case of bonding, that is the pi. Pi 2p y 2 equal to pi 2pz 2 4 and sigma 2p 2px2. In antibonding, pi star 2px pi star 2py equal to pi star 2pz. You can see in this diagram, there is no electron in the antibonding molecular orbital of nitrogen atom. So, because in absence of unpaired electron in antibonding molecular orbital, nitrogen molecule is the paramagnetic. Suppose if you write the diagram of the heteronuclear diatomic molecule, suppose the electronegativity difference of both molecule is different, you can write atomic orbital according to electronegativity. That is a more electronegativity atom is slightly down of another atomic orbital. So I will discuss the heteronuclear molecular orbital diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.